Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to require or disable the sign in requirement after your computer has awoken from sleep mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by right clicking on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select Accounts on the left side, and now on the right side, select Sign In Options. On the right side, you want to now scroll down underneath Additional Settings, and it says if you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again? Click the drop down here to make your selection. So if you never wanted to require you to sign back in if you've stepped away from your computer and it automatically goes into sleep mode, you would set it to never. However, if every time your computer does this and you wanted to ask or prompt you for a password upon waking up, you would select when PC wakes up from sleep. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.